drums, everywhere drums. Hi everyone, welcome back to another fun video. My name's Angie and this is my little baby brother Tiger. And today we're gonna unbox wash up kitchen sink. Right there, kitchen sink. And the pieces is 25 pieces. Wow, guys, that's a lot of pieces to wash this. That's a lot. And real running water. Wow, that's so awesome! And the battery is 2 AA. And here's the front of the kitchen washing. And to the side. Here is the back. We have a sink, some plate cup for toys. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Let's get started opening this. Whoa! You ready? Wow. Anyone else? That's it. Put it away. Whoa, here's a sink right here. Oh, there's a battery. Let me open this one up. I got it. Oh, yay! Oh, we don't want to leave the spoon and knife and fork. There's toys. Look how small, they're so huge. Color pink. Sticking to me. Come on, knife. You gotta go. Can't be there. Let's open this one. I'm so excited. What's inside? Whoa, whoa, whoa! You need bowls. Here's a plate, spatula, and their sink. Let's open it. What? Oh, that's a lot! Can't wait to see this. Here's the sink fountain, supposed to connect from here. We got 2 orange plates. And, oh, there's the same thing. There's 3 blue, there's a fork, a spoon, and a knife. Wow, there's the battery here. This is where the battery goes. Right here, and here. Put this here or here somewhere. Oh, and then put the fountain on. Just like that. I just built it. Look, you're just scrubbing for plates. These plates are dirty. Scrub. Wait. Look how cute this is. This is the smallest detergent soap I ever seen. That's so small. This is what you do. You just put the water on. Oh, this is the knob. The knob. You can turn the water on or off. And then here's the pot, some spatulas, and 2 small plates. We're going to do put 1 plate here, a plate there. This spot is for drying like a plate when you're done washing. Let's get started playing with it. And then we need water and battery. So before I do that, please like, share, and subscribe to my little brother Tiger. Thank you. Now let's get started. Take them all out. Probably out first. There we go. Got it. Alright. Oh, it tells you what to stop and right there. Black mark. 2 bottles. Ready? Either you're turning it. Oh, there's a fish in here. I think that's good enough. Perfectly for the line. Right there. You see that one? This one. And everything's tied up. Whoa, it's coming in the top. Now we get to put this one on. Just I think it's getting ready. You can go ahead and turn on the water if you want. Do you want to have some breakfast or food? Or we need lunch? Yes, what do we need for lunch? Soup! Let's make some soup. Where is this? We need some pink pot to make some delicious food. Right there. And then we need to get the pot ready. That's one. And then we need to drink a little cup. Here's for me. Tiger. Need to get this one ready. For me. Here you go, Tiger. Oh, my shaking. Here's a teacup. And your soup is right here. Have fun. And I'm gonna have mine too. Let me slurp mine up. This tastes good. I love it. And the back one too. Just need some soap. So you don't want to get it clean just with water. Soap. You need the scrubbing to scrub the soap. How are you doing there? Good? Alright, now time to rinse it with water. Wash it. This one in. Clean these small plates. There you go. From the top, just like that. I found my hands. Okay, clean out all these plates. Wash it up. Water, rinse it. Rinse water too, because I already put detergent. Got spatulas. How you have some fun? I feel like he has a lot of fun with water today. We got lots of plates to do, Tiger. We gotta go quick. Almost done. Yep, those are green pan that you cook for like meat or steak in there. You can. Here we go. Let's clean this one up too. Some in here. All right, almost done. Pot here. Are set with the plate. Soap everywhere. Alright, now this is it all for the kitchen set for washing. And I hope you like it. It was so much fun and see you all next time. Bye! We're still playing. Now I wait for the dishes to be dry. It's gonna be probably today, but sometime. Look at that. It's like, how many holes is there? Like holes. What about 15? There are 6 holes that come out for water.